Well, good Saturday evening. The clouds have started to come back over and it's keeping temperatures right where they're at. We've got a nice south-southwest wind, 10 to 15 miles per hour with occasional gusts up to 25. Right now we are looking at dew points and temperatures staying steady, but we're going to be looking at things becoming a little unsettled as we go into the late evening hours. The Storm Prediction Center giving us now a level 2 expanded into portions of Maine. We're looking at this as a level 2 out of 5, not the lowest, not the highest, but we are going to be looking at more scattered showers and storms, some of which might become strong to severe. That'll bring the chance for some damaging wind gusts with it. And I'll tell you more about what's behind this. It's the heat that we've been talking about. So we're going to be talking about a lot in this 8-day forecast, but let's get you through the rest of the evening tonight and into our Sunday morning. This is what we're going to be looking at. A line of showers and storms pushing in, becoming very widespread through your Sunday morning. Could be some very loud pockets of thunder in this. We have a lot of high dew points as well. And eventually we're going to be tracking some of the gusty winds pushing down to the south and east as well. So this could be causing some power line issues. This could be causing trees down as well. So just take it slow for your Sunday morning commute. Now, not everyone's going to see damage, but just know that the potential is there. Once we get to your Sunday afternoon, maybe you have a later church service, it looks a lot drier and more calm, but on the back end of that, there's more impact weather to be had as we go towards the late evening hours. We're going to start things off into the mid 60s, and then as we go and shift our winds from the south from the morning, we turn to the west. That'll help dry us out, but it will also propel our temperatures back to the mid upper 80s, and we will be looking at warmer temperatures coming in. That'll propel us into our Monday and Tuesday with more sunshine on the way coming for Tuesday, but we also look at our highest temperatures reaching the mid upper 90s by Tuesday. So we will have a heat advisory going into effect for York County at 11 until 8 in the evening. That'll be feels like temperatures up to 100 degrees. Then as we go into our Tuesday, we are looking at an extreme heat watch. This means conditions are favorable for temperatures to become dangerously high. We're talking about feels like triple digits. It's air you can wear. You just want to make sure that if you are out there that you stay hydrated, try to avoid the caffeine, stay inside, enjoy the AC if you can, find a cooling center if there's one near you, and keep an eye on yourself, your family, your kids, your neighbors, even your pets. Your pets don't like this kind of weather. Even at an outdoor temperature of 77, the pavement feels very hot to their paws. So just be careful about that. In the 8-day inland forecast, there's a difference between what we'll see on the coast. That's the pop-up shower chances that we do see further along the international border. Tuesday, we do look to be mostly dry, but then as we get after this warm-up, we are going to be starting to nicely cool back down, giving you and the air conditioning a break.